Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to reset Rinnai code 55 full troubleshooting and maintenance reset guide. Method first, reset code 55 using the controller. Make sure the water heater is powered on, then find the on off button on the Rinnai controller, then press the on off button 5 times within 5 seconds, then press it at a steady place. Fourth one is press the on off button or one more time to turn the unit back on. Check the display. If the reset is successful, the 55 code will disappear. Second method is reset code 55 using the PC board. Turn off the power at the water heater at the outlet of circuit breaker. Then remove the front cover. Locate the A and B button on the main PC board. Restore power to the unit. Press and hold the A button for about 5 seconds until SCL or PCL appear on the display, then release it. Sixth one is if that doesn't work, press and hold both A and B buttons together until the service reminder clear. Then reinstall the front cover and make sure the 55 code is gone. Thanks for watching.